Japanese temple bell, bronze, Buddhist. Okay, now this one here is an absolute piece of history. I rushed to get this video done because over there you'll hear the bell ringing because it's right on 5 o'clock and I missed a few rings there. In this area, they play this music through speakers to the whole district at 5 o'clock. Now, unfortunately, we won't be able to hear the rest of the... There's the Buddhist temple over yonder, and you'll find in one of my videos, very recently, I was over there and rang the bell myself. Okay, so don't tell anyone I did that. Okay, here we go. Japanese temple bell, bronze, Buddhist. Now this one is amazing. It's an Edo period bell, and I have my notes here. It tells us it's from the Kansei period. The Kansei period was from 1789 to 1801, and an interesting time for Japan where they were starting to open up to the west. Now this here tells us it's from Kansei Yonnen, Shichigatsu Juyonnichi, and here it tells us that it was donated. Now under here there should be the name, which there can't be, it's like you can't read it, you can't see, it's worn away, but in general under there you would have the name, you just can't see it anymore, so that's the way that is. But yeah, we have let's see, from the Yonnen, which is the 4th year of the Kansei period. Alright, so Kansei Yonnen, so with 1789 you count that year, 1789 as 1, 92, 91 as 3, and 1792 as 4. And Shichigatsu is the 7th month. Alright, so it's July, and Juyonnichi, so the 14th of July 1792. And also down here it says Kichijutsu, which means an auspicious or a good day. So that's that, and it comes with this really cool hook. Right, I'll just lose these notes right here, and let's get down to the real business of whether it sounds good. And it's a beauty. Alright, here we go. No cracks or anything on those lines. If you'll see, the striking points are worn beyond measure. It's this is the real deal. A few little nicks here and there. That's not a hole, it's just a bit of a nick and all. And you'll see the patina of the bronze. You are. It's an absolute sweet piece. Absolute sweetie indeed. And it's got a... let's see, hold on. I'm trying to hold this and there you are. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, now, let's hear it. Here. I told you I was going to come back to this shrine. That's my reasoning for it. Okay, and you will receive the striker. Beautiful. side. Amazing deep sound for such a bell of this size. And its resonance lasts for a very long time. Let's see if we compete with that boncho, that big bell over there. There you are. It's an absolutely beautiful piece. I'm going to put a reserve on it, and that way I'll hopefully, if nobody bids up to what I at least need to get my money back, then I get to keep it. There you go. But that's just a piece of history right there. That's really beautiful. This Olby is not included. I use that in the back of the little K truck I have as a pillow. So I'm out here in the country, sometimes I just like, alright, stop work meeting, you know. Blame the boss. Okay, so there you are. That's just that. I'm going to put some Wikipedia information up on the listing there for people to have a look at the period and what it means to Japan, Japanese history, and you know, this is something that we not need to destroy. So, you know, if we haven't got history, well, but you don't need my garbage philosophy. You just need me to shut up. It's getting cold, so I'm gonna have to right, I told you I was going to come back to this shrine, and therefore I'll have a bit of a glance around. Isn't it gorgeous? You'll find that I put up some really cool flags this very day also, and some really cool samurai flags. Have another bell listed, an update with that. I have an appropriate size striker for it now. So that striker you actually saw just then is the same size as the one I mentioned in the other listing, but a different one. But the larger bell I have, the large bell has an appropriate striker for it right now. So, this is the Hasaku. They have Hasaku and Amanatsu. Oh, they're falling off because they're old now. But that is like the sour kind of orange thing that you would find here. Not sure if I'm on somebody's land right now. Hang on. That's that cool. I haven't seen that. What were these bamboo sticks when I was trying to set up that my bamboo rod broke? I was going to put another one of the flags on it and it broke and blah and blah. This is the kaki. Not really a fan of the taste of the kaki, but it's kind of like the indigenous Japanese apple, which is sort of also indigenous to China, I found out. There's a lady over there. Just coming home from the fields, or probably that. What do you call those? A glass house, a plastic house, but you know that. But yeah, isn't this great? 5 o'clock. Hey, see, this is the Japan you want to see. Or you could go for the glitzy bull dust in Tokyo. Alright, I'm going to get back to it. See you later.